Hello everybody, in this one we are at a 12,000 square feet warehouse. I'm walking around here to show you guys all the problems on the floor and things we're going to deal with. This one's gonna get a paint job on the wall and an epoxy floors with a urethane coat on top. It's gonna be for light industrial. Let's take a look at this. Here is a full picture of the warehouse for you guys to see. So day 4 here at the warehouse, and first 2 days we spent grinding, cleaning, and the third day was all about patching. Now it's the 4th day, final touch-ups of patch and a final vacuum. Then we're gonna go and put down the primer. Let me show you guys what I mean. So everything you see on the floor, all those are cracked. We've patched up. It's getting vacuumed up and ready to take the primer. You can see the vacuum line, like this line here. That side has been vacuumed, this hasn't. I'm gonna post a bunch of videos about this one, so we'll see after the primer and after the finish. Alright, let's take a look at this one from top. All those lines and patching you see is done before primer, and here is the one to the right. Full view. This is the right side of the warehouse. Let's go and see how the primer looks like. So primer is almost down. Let's go take a look. We've done about 7,000, 8,000 feet. This is just a primer. Just a bit left here. Alright, here we are sanding the floors to create a better bond between the layers. Let's take a look at this. So far, we have put down our epoxy, body coat, sanded down the body coat, and now today is the time to go with the urethane on top to increase the physical and chemical durability of this floor. This type of floor is really great for light industrial, and it can create a clean, no smell, no dust environment. And if you have small manufacturing, assembling line, or anything like that, this is a perfect solution. Top to bottom and on the floors, everything can be done. This way you can have a antibacterial floor if you need the floor to be antibacterial, if you need the floor to be seamless so no residue builds up, and super easy to clean, super easy to keep it maintained, and super easy to touch it up, and very cost effective to recoat if needed, a section or a whole thing. Then the time comes, if you want to do a design change or anything, we can always come back and make this work the way you want it. So it's a superior floors with no seams, no bacteria, and everything you need for a light industrial or assembly line. All right, so it is about 3 hours since we started putting down the urethane, and it looks really nice. Let's take a look. I think it does look good. What do you guys think? Now from this part on, we still have to do about 7,000 square feet yet. But this part is done. Let me know what you think. Here is the final result.